Hello everyone and welcome to my lab again. I'd like to show you some of the results of the performance work that I've been doing on glscopeclient lately. So right now what we have is a bidirectional 100 megabit Ethernet full duplex link. We've got the transmit and receive data lanes, we've got protocol decodes, which right now aren't showing any traffic because we're too zoomed in, only 50K points per waveform to even see any packets. And then we've got I patterns for the two lanes, and we've got bit error bathtub curves for the upper I only. I didn't bother to set one up for the lower ones. So right now we're running at about 20 to 30 waveforms per second. This is with a Paladin Liquid Waveburner 8104 MS oscilloscope connected to my old desktop I've had since grad school. It's a 2014 era i5 quad-core, no hyper-threading, a Quadro K5200, which is also a 2014 era card, and generally not high-end specs by modern standards. And you can see performance is quite acceptable even with all this analysis going on. So now let's zoom out a little bit and pull up some more points. So now, okay, let's just clear our waveforms. Now that we've adjusted our sampling rate. And so now we're at 5 million points at 10 gigasamples per second. So now we're down to about 2 waveforms per second, but you can see it's still working just fine, and the user interface is very responsive. A little bit of lag, but not that bad. We can scroll in and out here. And again, very fast, no significant slowdowns. And now, just for comparison's sake, I'd like you to turn your attention to the oscilloscope itself and see what happens if I try to run some of this same analysis directly on the scope. Okay, so at this point we've got the scope running by itself, glscopeclient's no longer connected, and we're just displaying the waveforms. This is about the maximum trigger rate of the instrument. So now let's pull up the serial data analyzer. And we're on channel 3 and 4. Let's do a tandem display. And we're going to turn on the I pattern. So all the same settings, still at 5 million points per capture. And note just how slow things get as soon as we turn on even one I pattern. We're not doing any other protocol decodes. We don't have the second I active. We're just looking at one lane right now. And we're down to several seconds easily between frames.